Welcome back to my channel, number one Astrologer Vaastu by Dr. Satya. Today we'll be talking why a lot of people, young people, the middle-aged people, the old peoples are getting attracted towards astrology and using astrology as a divine solutions, as a guidance, as a remedies, right, as a prediction tool, right, and as a life alignment, right, karma alignment to change and charge or transform their life. Why many people, right, from the young age have started believing in astrology which can change their life. I'll be talking on the pluses and minuses, right. Do subscribe to my channel to see all the latest videos I've been doing on the world astrology predictions, the other events which are happening on the health crisis, the COVID part, how from the astrology India is looking, from a 2023 perspective. Our Prime Minister astrology also, because they will take the big decisions, the other big events also on the financial markets, international affairs. So keep watching my channel and subscribe. If you want personal consultation solutions, guidance,